Hi crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on Bitcoin. Today we're looking into the possibility of a massive crash to $12,000. A lot of investors expecting the drop down, but let's discuss on today's video, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's start. First of all, we go with good to see Capo has updated his 2024 Bitcoin prediction, still calling for 12k. Last palm caused by ETF news, and here we could see it's probably going to be going to $48,000, $50,000 position. Then we're going to see the sell the news event. Then it will be the flip narrative, SNR flip narrative back to 35,000, 36,000, and then the capitulation event back to $12,000. The position over here before the massive run that we had before. On the $60,000, we're going to go back there, and then the increase will finally happen on the market. So this what the investor actually expects it on the long period of time as of 2024 until the April of 2024. Then the SEC is going to win, and then the XRP is going to win against SEC, and the price of the market is going to go bullish because every single cryptocurrency will be running up after the XRP's successful victory. Next up, this is wild. Bitcoin is the way out of the madness. It took 185 trillion of debt to produce about 46 trillion of the GDP growth over the last 20 years. And this is crazy. Next up, Bloomberg senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas on the potential spot Bitcoin ETF approvals. SEC is giving final comments as we speak. This is definitely as close to be done, and we've been but no official approval as far as I know. Next up, Jacqueline Melinek, TechCrunch reporter, heard from sources extremely close to the matter that a Bitcoin spot ETF is going to be approved by the SEC for multiple firms' applications, expecting something tomorrow. Can you believe that 95% of the world thinks like this, possibly more? People will pay an advisor 1% forever to put them in underperforming assets instead of studying Bitcoin and gaining conviction to hold the most scarce, best performing asset of all time. This is set. And here we go. I cannot for the life of me figure out if I should be paying someone to manage my money or just putting it in an S&P 500 index. Where does Bitcoin fit into the equation? And she says it doesn't. So some people still can't get it, that this is their safe place, but I guess some people need to lose for others to actually win. If the ETF is approved, I expect fireworks at any time now, $48,000 to $52,000 in a matter of hours, and then we might see what actually is going to happen, the massive explosion or another huge crash. But my expectations of a crash are actually around the $25,000. I don't think it's going to go down as low as $12,000 and get it back before the massive explosions that we had. I suppose it to be actually around the 25,000 position. We're going to drop down a little bit, and then the explosion for the market after the April is going to be massive for sure. Next up we go west. I started buying Bitcoin last bull run around $40,000. I rolled it to the top and down 75% over the time. My conviction has only grown stronger. A few tips that made my journey easier. Have a 10-year time horizon. Put everything in cold storage. Never trade your Bitcoin. Study for more than 1,000 hours. Don't get distracted by altcoins. Watch what they do, not what they say. Be prepared for extreme volatility. Be humble during the bull runs. Be confident during the bear market. Everything is good for Bitcoin, and you need to understand that. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.